Samali Wakoli is an Assistant Director of Public Prosecution, heading a Department of Gender and Sexual Offences. She has prosecuted rape, defilement and gender-based violence cases for years. But she says half of her cases have not ended in conviction because her key witnesses have been killed, disappeared or have declined to testify, fearing risks thereafter.
The largest percentage are those that are threatened, and we are talking to about 50%, because many of the cases that we handle in the court, we lose them because victims don't come to court, not because the offenses were not committed.
Samali's challenge is shared by each of these 323 state prosecutors attending a 3-day symposium in Kampala, and they want a witness protection law in place to boost their conviction statistics.
I remember very well there was a case I handled of murder, and one of my witnesses who was very key. We talked with the witness and agreed on how and when they will appear, but when the time came for the trial, I would not see them. I went to court and made an application that such a witness could not be traced. They have died, and I couldn't get them under Section 30 of the Evidence Act, and court allowed that I lead the investigating officer. And we tendered that statement in court, and court relied on that statement and convicted that person. Sometimes it may be rejected. Sometimes the lawyer on defense can argue and say, no, this statement was not properly recorded, and they throw out the statement.
Uganda has no law to provide holistic protection for crucial witnesses who face a threat or risk. The institution only depends on guidelines issued by the Director of Public Prosecution, but they are not sufficient.
They can change either your face or they can keep you in a safe place. They can relocate you, but you can't do those measures without a law. And then also, I will retain my mandate as a prosecutor, but then the one who is in charge of the protection will also have their own mandate on how to handle the protection and how long should this protection go.
They have been working towards the enactment of the law. Their work stalled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, they have resumed and they are now pursuing the regulatory impact assessment.
The prosecutors hope the bill, which has been in the pipeline since 2015, is passed quickly as tribute to late Joan Kagezi, who, like many key witnesses, was killed in 2015, a time when she was prosecuting the 2010 Kampala bombings. Muhumuza, NTV.